What's up, guys? It's me, Steve WB. We're back today, and what we're going to do today on this vlog, or maybe not so much a vlog, but just more of a which is better. I'm trying to decide what would be my best camera for at work. One's going to be my phone, the other one's going to be a GoPro, and I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison for you, and you tell me which one looks better. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's talk about the two different cameras that I'm actually trying out. The first one is my cell phone. It's going to be a Galaxy S9 Plus. Camera number 2 is a GoPro Hero 5 Black. I've been having a little trouble with my GoPro with audio, so I'm trying to test it without a microphone. So I'm testing the phone and the GoPro with no enhancers, no microphones, and we'll see which one sounds better, or which one that I should walk around vlogging with. Because the reason why I'm using this setup at work is I have an Osmo Pocket. I like to use that when I'm at home, but in the offshore environment, I need something I can carry if it starts to rain or get wet or whatever, that's going to somewhat waterproof, that I can keep on me. And the Osmo Pocket is not that camera. So with that being said, let's do a few more little tests and get some more side-by-sides. All right, so this is going to be the first camera. And what I'm going to do is just a little walk around and a 360 spin to see how the dynamic range is on this. So basically, like when the sun is coming towards the camera, how much of my face can you see, or is it mostly dark? So first we're going to check for stabilization. This is just a little short walk. See how this looks. And then we're going to do a slow turn. Like I disappeared pretty good on this one. All right, let's try the other camera. All right, so this is camera number 2. So let's see how this looks. First, we're going to check for stabilization. I'll do me a little short walk here. I'm going to turn, walk a little further. Now let's do our 360. Check the dynamic range. How do I look in the shadows? Is it blacking out? Or can you still see me? Alright, so this is going to be camera number 2. Alright, now I'm going to do a little bit of a side-by-side test. I'm holding both cameras really close to each other, and I'm going to walk down the staircase and then turn and walk down the platform. So, see which one looks better as far as color, stabilization, and sound is what I'm looking for. So, gotta look where I'm going, because I don't want to be on the highlight reel. Now, just a quick note, both cameras are set in their stock profiles. One's GoPro color, one's the stock setting for the phone. I'm not adding any color grading or any LUTs or any editing to these cameras whatsoever. Now this is walking with the sun behind me, and it looks like I don't know, on the left of the screen you gotta ignore that little bit of a shadow, but anyway, this is walking with the sun behind me. How does this look? How does this sound? I'm gonna turn around. This is walking with the sun coming down towards my face, which is a much better light for both cameras. Which one sounds better? Which one looks better? You tell me. Well, there you have it. That's a little short, quick video. It's early in the vlog, so I'm trying to figure out what my go-to camera is going to be in my work environment. I'm trying to provide good quality audio and a nice stable image with good color. That's something that's going to be easy for me to edit, because I don't get a lot of time when I'm at work to make long edits or things like that. So it's usually got to be pretty quick. And on top of that, trying to edit a daily blog and also do Bennett's World twice a week is a lot of time on the computer that I really don't get out here at work. Because I mean, honestly, is it fair to the people I work for if I'm sneaking off vlogging or doing edits all the time? So of course when I'm here, the videos are going to be a little shorter, a little quicker, but hopefully, you know, the content will be good, it'll be worthy, and you'll come back for more. So till tomorrow.